Now it's time for the inside angle, also part of the second coat. One side of these corners, the inside corner, needs to be plastered up for the second coat. My 4-inch knife, and same technique as before. The little triangle deal, that's how we're going to load up the corner. Now the most comfortable position to do this corner is coming up. Back against the wall, I'll go down and load up the mud. Now again with this knife, when you're loading mud, you're laying your knife down, you're laying it flat. When you're reducing mud, you will tilt your knife up. So now with it all loaded up, the tape is hidden. It's taper off and feather off this outer edge. I will come to this wall with my knife and do a cleaning wipe of any overflow that I've put there. Go back to the bottom, square up, and bring it all the way up. Take a look at it for fish eyes or scratches again, because this is a finished product. You can touch it up later, but it is a finished product. And then at the top, I didn't quite make it to the top of the tape. So I'll come to the top and come down underneath it. Taper off the outer edge. I want to load some more mud to level it off. Taper it off. Cleaning wipe on this side. And that's the angle completed for the second coat. Now we still have our screws to address here. So we'll just make sure we're all clear with the screws. That won't be done with a 4-inch knife on this step. It'll be done with a 6-inch knife. This is quite a bit bigger. It's got a curve in it. So that curve is supposed to go against the wall, and what I look for is light going through the wall. I know my knife very well, so I do know which way it curves. 2-stroke teardrops, this is what we're making. So we'll take some little portion of mud, it's just like that to pick it up and down. Now I'm flexing the knife and laying it down properly in order for the outer edges to feather off and leave a thickness in the center. That's why the curve of the knife is important. I can't actually see that screw. Let's do it here. Now here, there's a little paper from screws that were pulled out. I take the back of the knife and I push on that paper to pack it in and do it again. It's tapered off on edges and the screw is hidden. I'll quickly do the other 5 that I have here, and this is the momentum you use when you get good at it. So that's the way it works at a professional level. Oh, still see the screw, so I'll go again. I still see the screw. I don't want to see it. But I want it feathered off, so I want no outer edges. Now there's nothing to sand on those screws before I go after the finished coat, and that will be coming soon too. Right now we let this set up like the last time. The leftover mud on my hawk, I'm going to take it off and we'll check when it's ready.